Welcome to Anthrology. In this video, we are going to study about tensile stress. Contents of the video: what is tensile stress and strain, elasticity and plasticity, how to find tensile strength, stress strain curve, modulus of elasticity for different engineering materials, and examples of tensile stress. Tensile stress. Tensile stress is induced in a body when two equal and opposite forces pull the body. These forces are coaxial. So unit of tensile stress is Newton per meter square or Pascal. So here this rod having a cross sectional area A is pulled by force P from both the sides. So this is a tensile force, and because of which the length of the rod is changing by delta L. Earlier original length was L and changed length is delta L. So here sigma is tensile stress, which is equal to load per unit area, that is F by A, and epsilon is equal to tensile strain, which is change in length to the original length. So change in length is delta L, original length is L. So the ratio is tensile strain, and strain has no unit since it is the ratio of both the lengths. Now what is elasticity? Elasticity is a property of a material to regain its original position after removing the load, and plasticity is a property of a body to undergo permanent deformation after removing the load. How to find the tensile strength? The tensile strength of the material is decided using a universal testing machine. It is called as a universal testing machine, UTM, since other than tensile test, compression test, shear test can also be done on this machine. Test specimen is pulled from both the ends. So here this is moving crosshead and lower one is fixed crosshead. So it is pulled from the moving crosshead, and the readings are noted till the specimen breaks. Strain curve. So the graphs plotted using the readings on tensile testing facility are stress strain curve generally. So we'll see the stress strain curves for ductile materials as well as brittle material. So stress is on y-axis and strain is on x-axis here. So first we'll see for a mild steel. Mild steel shows a different behavior as it shows a distinct yield point. So here OA is the stress is directly proportional to strain, it is an elastic limit, and AB is also elastic limit. It means if you remove the load, the bar will regain its position, but the strain is not proportional to stress here for this portion. Then BC is a plastic deformation, B is a upper yield point, and C is lower yield point. Plastic deformation means after this, if we remove the load, the bar will not come to its original position. Its length will permanently change. Again, CD is a strain hardening, DE necking starts, and E is fracture. So for aluminum, if you see, yield strength is obtained by a parallel line made to a elastic limit, and for brittle materials like a wood, glass, a fracture is immediately after the elastic limit. Modulus of elasticity for different engineering materials. Modulus of elasticity is indicated by letter E. Modulus of elasticity, also called as Young's modulus, is the ratio of stress to the strain. So as per the Hooke's law, within an elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. So the constant of proportionality is nothing but the modulus of elasticity. So since the strain is not having any unit, again the unit of modulus of elasticity is Newton per meter square. As this number is higher, so it is also indicated in gigapascal. So 1 gigapascal is 10 raised to 3 megapascal is equal to 10 raised to 9 pascal. So what does modulus of elasticity indicates? It indicates the resistance of a material to the load. So if we see, modulus of elasticity for a ceramic is very high. Then also for a metals to alloys, the range is 13 to 400 gigapascal. Composites also there is a good modulus of elasticity, but it reduces for woods, then polymers, then rubbers, and then polymer foams. You will see the practical examples of tensile stress. So the cable lifting the weight has a tensile stress, power cables, then hanging bridge, guitar wire, then chain of the bicycle, bike, then climbing ropes, tighten bolt, then ropes of the ship, drum surface, all experience the tensile stress.